Self-lender reports your installment loan payments to the credit bureaus until the loan is fully paid off, and once you finish, the account is marked as completed on your credit report. By the end, you'll know what graduation actually means, what changes on your credit report when you pay off self-lender, and what happens to your credit profile afterward. Start with what happens during the loan. While you're making payments, self-lender reports each on-time payment as credit activity. That creates a visible payment history on your credit report. Now, explain what that means. Each monthly payment adds consistency to your credit history. That consistency is what credit scoring models use to evaluate reliability over time. Now move to payoff. When you finish paying off the loan, the account does not disappear. It gets marked as completed or closed with a paid status on your credit report. Now, explain what that means. A completed installment loan is still part of your credit history. It shows that you successfully finished repaying a loan as agreed. Now explain the graduation idea. Some people call this graduation, but it is not an official credit term. It simply means you reach the end of your payment schedule. Now explain what changes after payoff. After the loan is closed, it stops generating new monthly payment updates. Your credit file then relies on that completed history instead of ongoing payments. Now explain impact on credit score. Paying off the loan does not automatically cause a big score jump or drop. Credit scores react to your overall credit profile, not a single account closing. Now explain what users often misunderstand. Many people think closing the account removes credit history. That is not true. Closed accounts with good payment history can still remain on your report and contribute positively. Now explain the long-term effect. The main value of self-lender comes from the payment history you build while the loan is active. After payoff, the benefit shifts from building history to simply maintaining what you already built. Now summarize the key points. Self-lender reports your payments while the loan is active. When you pay it off, the account closes as a completed loan on your credit report. And the credit impact comes from payment history, not from a graduation event. One practical next step. Check your credit report after payoff to confirm the account is marked as closed and paid, so you know your credit history is being reported correctly. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit building tools and what actually happens behind the scenes.